Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter number 16, Light, and today's topic is kaleidoscope. Now, before going to the kaleidoscope, we should know that there are two types of refraction. One is regular, and the second one is irregular or diffused reflection. Right? In regular reflection, parallel beam of light incident on the reflecting surface and bounce back in the same medium, and that remains in the parallel beam of light. In a diffused reflection, there is a rough reflecting surface. When parallel beam of light falls on this surface, it get diverge or converge, right? So it will not remain in the parallel form of parallel beam of light. Now, multiple images, right? You have seen in so many times that a person having a large number of images. See, in these pictures, there is a person in left hand side picture and there is a multiple of image. आप लोग जब हेयर ड्रेसर के पास जाते हैं तो आप देखते होंगे आपकी इमेज जो है बहुत सारी बन रही है ना. There are two mirrors, and after reflection we get several number of images. So when two mirrors are kept inclined at an angle, they can together form the multiple images, right? This is because of image formed by one mirror forms the object of other image, right? For example, there are two mirrors, right? Mirror number 1, mirror number 2. An object is here, right? So this is the object. What will happen? The image will form by this mirror 1, and the image of the object formed by the first mirror will act as a object for the second mirror, and then the image formed by the second mirror will act as a object for the first mirror, and then go on. So you can see when two parallel plates are there, so there will be infinite number of images, large number of images, right? So there is a formula. Number of images is equal to 360 divided by theta. Theta means angle between mirrors minus 1, right? For example, there are two mirrors which are inclined at 60 degree, right? So this is the first mirror, this is second mirror, and the angle between the mirrors is 60 degree. Then we have to substitute here 60. So 360 divided by 60 minus 1. It means 6 minus 1. So there will be 5 images. So these two mirrors which are inclined by 60 degree will form 5 images. Now you can see this table. If the mirrors are at 45 degree, 7 images will form. Now put this 45 over here, 60. So 360 divided by 45 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 60, 5 images. If the mirrors are at 90 degree, let this is first and this is second. So the angle between them is 90 degree. When we substitute this 90 in place of theta, we will get here 4. 4 minus 1, 3 images will form. When 120 degree, then 2 images will form. And when the mirrors are at 180 degree, then there will be only one image, right? But if the mirrors are parallel or at 0 degree, for example, like this, we will get infinite number of images. Now you can see in this picture, a tap between the two mirrors. Now you can see there is a large number of images. You cannot count. So it is infinite number of images. The infinite number of images formed when the mirrors are placed parallel to each other. Now we are going to discuss the kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is a device used to see the multiple images of the object. Right? It has 3 inclined mirrors at 60 degrees to each other. This arrangement is usually kept in a cylindrical box and has a few pieces of colored glasses kept at one end. Right? We can see beautiful pattern and design due to the multiple images formed by the mirror. Now you can see in this diagram, in this picture, there are 3 mirrors which are inclined at 60 degree. ये जो mirrors होते हैं 60 डिग्री पे लगाए जाते हैं, ठीक है। तो एक इस तरीके का स्ट्रक्चर बन जाएगा. It means this is a mirror, this is also mirror, and at the base there is also a mirror. We are putting these 3 mirrors at an angle of 60 degree. They are making 60 degree angle with each other. Right? Now what we have to do, we have to put this kaleidoscope in a cylindrical tube. Right? In a cylindrical tube. And then we have to put the pieces of colored glasses at one end. So we can see that there are a number of images and the beautiful pattern will form inside the kaleidoscope when we see this object. Right? So this is the kaleidoscope. Right? It means it is an instrument or it is a device to see the multiple images of the object. And why multiple images are formed? Since the plane mirrors are inclined with some angle. Right? Now this is dispersion of light. When sunlight falls on the prism, it splits into its component colors, 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This splitting of light into 7 colors is called dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. So sunlight or white light is a mixture of 7 colors. The splitting up of sunlight or white light into colors is called dispersion of light. When the beam of sunlight is passed through the glass prism, it is split up into 7 rainbow colors. The colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. And it can be say at VIBGYOR. VIBGYOR is the short form of these 7 colors. So the rainbow is caused due to the dispersion of sunlight by water drop in the atmosphere. What happens in rainy season? The water drops suspended in the atmosphere, and when the sunlight passes through these droplets, it splits into 7 colors. So rainbow appears in the sky. Right? So rainbow is the application of dispersion of light. Actually, sunlight or white light is made of 7 colors. Right? So when we pass through this white light through the prism, it splits into its components. Right? The components are 7 colors. So the pattern will form in which 7 colors will appear. So this phenomena is known as dispersion of light. Right? And the arrangement of the colors will be in this sequence: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Violet have the highest energy and the red has least energy. So this is the sequence of decreasing order of energy, right? So this is all about of today's topic. Thank you very much.